In front of me is VIVO V50 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and tapping on Allow in all pop-ups. Then use this button at the bottom to start recording. To pause it or unpause it, use the same one. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it on the right one. Then to play it, click on it. To manage it, use those three dots at the top right corner here, or go back and use all of those options below it, like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!